Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you Plavogue One Step hairdryer brush.
Okay, I'm going to try this new blow dryer. Just have my hair colored, so let's see how well it works compared to the other one very similar to this that I used.
Prior to this, my mom has used a similar blow dryer brush. It's her favorite tool to style her hair. So when Plavogue reached out and wanted to send me this blow dryer to try out, I knew the perfect person to give me the most honest review, my mom.
I understand I have really curly hair, so let's see how well it smooths it out.
As my mom said, she has pretty curly, frizzy hair, and so this blow dryer is perfect. It's going to reduce the frizz up to 35% more. The barrel is oval shaped, so it's a great design to give you volume and bounce in your hair. And the 360-degree swivel cord makes sure that you can continue turning and turning and not have to worry about tangling up that cord. It comes in 3 gorgeous colors: white and gold, black and gold, or black and pink. Which color is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. You'll notice 2 types of bristles on the blow dryer. The longer bristles are designed to guide your hair into the shorter bristles, which are heat activated charcoal bristles. Those are perfect for polishing out your hair and making it have gorgeous shine and really brilliant smoothness. It has a nice long 6-foot cord, and the dimensions of the blow dryer are just perfect for handling it with ease. I almost forgot to mention one of the most important parts. It's dual voltage, so you can use this worldwide. Well, that's it, you guys. That is a blowout with the Plavogue all-in-one hairdryer. It gave beautiful results on my mom's hair. She usually has to work so much harder using a traditional blow dryer with a separate brush, so this really makes it so much easier for her to get smooth, gorgeous hair without giving up halfway through. Again, if you're interested in picking up one of these blow dryers for yourself, I'll have a link down in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.